My brother had a great time on this tour. Super easy to get in with the QR code voucher provided by Klook. Parking is not included with the cost of the ticket. It is $15 extra on arrival. The tour had changed a little since my brother last did it, but he said it was still a really enjoyable experience and would do it again a few years in the future. Great to revisit sets from old classics like Friends and Harry Potter. Smile would thoroughly recommend this tour. The tour guide was very informative and it was exciting to see the Friends set, which was my highlight, and I got to have coffee at Central Perk and buy merchandise. Seeing the Harry Potter set and Marvel/DC costumes were also such a great experience. Definitely recommend to buy tickets on Klook for a smooth entry to the tour. If you're a fan of Warner Brothers shows and movies, visiting the Warner Brothers studios is absolutely worth every penny. The experience is surreal and incredibly immersive. You get to see iconic sets, props, and even interact with memorabilia from your favorite shows and films. It's a dream come true for any TV or movie lover. The tour is not just informative but incredibly fun, offering behind-the-scenes access to the magic of production. Seeing everything from Friends and Harry Potter to DC films up close really brings these beloved worlds to life. Whether you're a casual fan or a die-hard enthusiast, this experience will leave you amazed and definitely make the cost well worth it. Our payment for this activity was very worth it. Spent almost 6 hours in this place and we didn't even notice it. It was very entertaining to see the filming sets of the famous Hollywood stars such as Big Bang Theory, Harry Potter, Gilmore Girls, and Friends. Amazing experience ever with knowledgeable guide. Very easy check-in with using Klook. Love everything about it. The classic tour also has some refreshments prior to the tour for that first-class experience. Great experience. Parking was right at the studio for $15. The tour guide was very knowledgeable and friendly. Also, all the guest experiences were very interactive and fun. We also enjoyed the photo experiences and thought the package was worth it. The whole studio tour was surreal and awesome. It's a dream come true. So much memories to treasure from it. Having to book the tickets here at Klook is very convenient and redeeming the booking voucher is very easy. I really trust Klook whenever I travel and book attractions wherever I want to go. Very worthwhile and intriguing. Get to see the setup behind the scenes. It was raining though, but WB provided us ponchos. Guide is knowledgeable and helpful. Restaurants are available and there are props and setups for memorable photos. Legit and worthwhile. Enjoyed the tour. Took almost 3 hours and tour could be longer but we had to rush off somewhere else. Impressive setup and production. At the end of the tour, you will appreciate how Hollywood movies are made. Did this in 2019 and loved it. Decided at the 11th hour to do it this trip and loved it just as much. Everything from arrival to departure. So simple, informative and interactive tour guides, went above and beyond. Visiting the Warner Brothers studio tour was an incredible experience. The behind-the-scenes look at iconic film sets, costumes, and props was fascinating. The guides were knowledgeable, providing interesting insights into the filmmaking process. The attention to detail and the interactive exhibits made the tour engaging for fans of all ages. Overall, it's a must-visit for anyone with a love for movies and a desire to see the magic of Hollywood up close. This was the first time I've done this tour and it was amazing. Even though it rained, we had an incredible experience. The tram tour showed us sets from so many TV shows and movies. We went onto a soundstage. The guide was so informative. Then there were the indoor set experiences that were phenomenal. The couch and set of Friends and the Big Bang Theory. The Harry Potter experience, sorting hat, wand instruction. All the Marvel characters and vehicles. A green screen experience. I rode the Batman motorbike. Game of Thrones costumes and props. Great souvenirs in the store. And on top of this, Klook offered the best rate on this tour.